Vegetarian food, why good for the spiritual development? Vegetarian food has a lot of prana energy. When you take any vegetable or fruits, tree direct absorb the five elements by nature. They are not dependent for the others. They absorb by energy by earth, water, fire, sun, air, and direct they absorb this prana energy, and then you are eat this prana energy inside, and they give extra energy. They grow up for given. Same time when you eat the animals, non-vegetarian food, first you understand what happened. You kill any chicken. When you cut the chicken, the brain is the one side, head is the vibrate, body is the vibrate. After you cut, heart also living vibrate, maybe 5 minutes, 3 minutes. And how much fear man is going to fear inside the body for animals when you cut the any animals. And this fear you eat by food, and then you have inside subconscious mind for fearness. And this fearness you give for children, your children also. And you say your children is not strong or not confidence, because you give continuous fear. This is very important point. When you cut the animal, how much they fear inside, vibrate, and pain. All pains going in the cells, and this energy you eat it. And this fearness you have not easy to going the success. You know where is the cut the animals? There you see the auras, very dense black brown aura, very dense aura, very fear aura. You go there any time, where is the dead body is going? Cemetery. How much you feel fear inside? You look the dead body, then you feel good? Not feel good. But you see the dead body animals, okay, and after you eat, and which way you feel this good? Same condition where they cut the meat and animals, same aura, same fearness, same density, same fear and pain you gain by this animal when you eat this non-vegetarian food. Also, non-vegetarian food is growing too much acidity in the body, and acidity is not good for the body. But vegetarian food, you see the apple tree, how much red beautiful apple is coming on the tree, and a lot of they give you, they want to you broke the fruits, otherwise we are going to broke. You see the mango, so beautiful mango, a lot. You take the mango for it, and this freshness going inside. No fear, no pain. They give by love, and you gain the love inside. You take the vegetables, how much fresh tomato, carrot, and then you eat this vegetable in the body, how much freshness inside. Also you see the animals depend in the vegetable food they make, and this going inside the body. And then you eat the animal. I ask the one question, you cut any animal and eat. It is possible you cut by self and eat, okay. Very nice. Maybe you have a very powerful, and you cut the animal and you don't fear and don't go to his pain and after it. Anybody cut your children and eat, you like it? No. Which way possible you cut your children and anybody eat? Then you have no pain, no feeling. This is also very important thing. But same time you take the fruit, how much you feel peace inside. Also come with energy level. When you take the non-vegetarian food, your dense energy going, tension is blocked, mind is very heavy, body is very heavy, you feel very negative because Kundalini energy going downfall, not upfall. But when you take vegetarian food, you feel freshness, Kundalini energies grow up, down to up. You feel more fresh, more active, more energetic, less pressure on the brain, more clear mind. This is very important things. You think make a protein by non-vegetarian food, but this protein is come by animal. This is not easy to digest. But you take more protein by natural way, more possibility. Germinated seeds you use. You use the soya bean, chickpeas, many seeds you collect and put in the water. It is absorb the water after 24 hours. Leave it 24 hours, 48 hours. This is germinate. Full by energy. Also full prana energy, chi energy inside this germinated seeds. And then you eat this higher protein in the body. This is easy to digest also in the body. Main point, non-vegetarian make you very block and very heavy for you. And vegetarian food is make a very fresh, very open and very good for your chakras. This chakra is power stations and your spiritual development. When you take the vegetarian food, your aura is bigger. When you take non-vegetarian food, your aura is smaller. When you take non-vegetarian food, you are not easy to meditate. When you take vegetarian food, you easy to meditate, easy to connect yourself. And when you connect yourself, you easy to connect the universe.